All right, let's start the class. So, we have already started this chapter. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We've already started this chapter. And
Ma'am, your voice is breaking a lot. Ma'am, you are freezed.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Of page number 12, your honeydew. So, children, I just want from you that you want the whole class to begin this chapter from the start, or shall we continue from England?
Ma'am, you can continue.
Ma'am, we shall continue from England.
From England? My voice is not clear. Okay. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Arpita?
Yes,
Okay. Arpita? Arpita Singh?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Where is Arpita responding? Soumya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you please explain? You can just give the summary of whatever we have read. अभी तक हमने जो पढ़ा है, can you please summarize it into 5 to 10 lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what was the story, and we are talking about whom, what happened, so that we can continue from England. Yes,
First
please.
man was
Yeah.
there. A man was there.
Soumya Mishra, yes,
Yes,
please
a man
explain
was
us that what all was there in the lesson so that we can know. Yeah,
once a man was
please
there in
start.
Germany. He went to a junk shop and buy a roll top desk. He thought that
Okay,
he would um, he would clean it and do that. The table will help him. And then when he was cleaning the table, he removed all the drawers, but one drawer was too much tight. Then he tried to release it quite easily, but it is not uh, uh, ma'am, may I rejoin first? Hello? My network problem. Ma'am, is my voice clear now?
Okay, Lakshya.
Yes, ma'am. The story starts with the author making a decision.
Lakshya, you please start reading from England because I think there is a lot of.
Sure, ma'am.
No, 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 not from here. From England,
Okay,
beta.
ma'am.
Page number 12.
Sure, ma'am. He had learned
Yeah.
he
He
had
had
learned
learned.
all he knew of England from school and from reading books in English. His favorite writer
Yeah.
was Thomas Hardy. His favorite book, Far from the Madding Crowd. So out there in no man's land, we talked of Bathsheba and Gabriel Oak and Sergeant Troy and Dorset. He had a wife and one son, born just 6 months ago. As I looked about me, there were huddles of khaki and grey everywhere, all over no man's land, smoking, laughing, talking, drinking, eating. Hence, Wolf and I shared what was left of your wonderful Christmas cake, Connie. He had thought the marzipan was the best he had ever tasted. I agreed. We agreed about everything. And he was my enemy. There's never was a Christmas party like it, Connie. Then someone, I don't know who, brought out a football. Great coats were dumped in piles to make a goal post. And the next thing we knew, it was Tommy against Fritz, out in the middle of no man's land. Hence, Wolf and I looked on the cheered, clapping our hands and stamping our feet to keep out the cold as much as anything. There was a moment when I noticed our breaths mingling in the air between us. He saw it too and smiled. Jim MacPherson, he said after a while, I think this is how we should resolve this war. A football match, no one dies in a football match. No children are orphaned. No wives become widows. I prefer cricket, I told him. Then we Tommies could be sure of winning probably. We laughed at that, and together we watched the game. Sad to say, Connie Fritz won, 2-1. But as Hans Wolf generously said, our goal was
Okay,
wider
okay.
than theirs,
Okay, okay,
so
okay.
it
Wasn't quite fair. Okay. Next. Who'll read
Ma'am,
next?
may I?
Anumegha, Anumegha,
May I? May
Anumegha,
Ma'am, may I? Sandesh.
May
May I, Sasha?
Anumegha,
Ma'am,
May I?
Anumegha,
Okay, okay, okay. Wait.
Anu,
Era,
May
Sandesh.
Era. I want you to read, please. Era, please read.
Yes, ma'am. But as Hansford jealously said, our goals was wider than theirs, so it wasn't quite fair. The time came, and all too soon, when the game was finished, the scamps and the rum and the sausage had long since run out, and we knew it was all over. I wished Hans well and told him I hoped he would see his family against him, that the fighting would and we could all go home. I think that is why that is what every soldier wants on both the sides. Hans Wolf said, "Take care, Jim Macpherson. I shall never forget this moment, nor you." He saluted and walked away from me slowly and unwillingly. I felt he turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey-coated men drifting back towards their trenches. That night, back in our
Okay,
dots,
very good, very good, very good. Okay, okay, okay. You can stop. Okay, in the last meeting, I told you about schnapps and sausage. So, Era, can you please tell me what are schnapps?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can
I
I?
don't know.
Ma'am, can I?
Who? Yes, who will tell me?
Ame?
Yes, Amay, tell.
Ma'am, it's kind of alcohol. Ma'am, alcohol.
Ma'am,
Okay,
alcohol,
it's a beverage,
alcoholic
right?
beverage.
Okay,
Strong
Alcohol.
alcohol.
alcoholic beverage, you can say. Yeah. And sausage, as I have already told you, hmm, everyone must be knowing it. Okay, so what have you understood from England? What happens? Now, this is all about the war, all about on the no man's land, what all is happening between Fritz and Britishers and all that. Actually, they're enjoying their Christmas. They are having the Christmas party with marzipans and all. And the person, this Jim Mack person, had never thought that he would never return to his home because he was pretty sure कि जिस तरह से the whole environment has been created, so there would be no war because everyone wants peace. See in this sentence what is written: no children are orphaned and no wives become widows. They do not want any child to be orphaned and any wife to be widowed. So they all were like, it was not, it doesn't seem that a war was going on. It was all a Christmas party sort of a thing on that no man's land. And they were exchanging sausages and they were exchanging marzipans. Marzipans are, a pastry kind of thing, a sweet cake. Okay. And they were exchanging sausages, and that's all. Everything was going very smooth. So in the last line, what she has read is that he turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey coated men drifting back towards their trenches. So, trenches, what do you mean by trenches, Vita? I told you earlier. Will tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I tell?
Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am. Trenches means long, deep ditches in the ground where soldiers hide from the enemy.
गड्ढा जिसको कह सकते हैं, खाई जिसको कह सकते हैं, they are the trenches where the army or where the soldiers they hide themselves. Okay, who will read next? I want Sarakshi to read.
Ma'am, may I?
Sarakshi, please read from that night. Sarakshi, that night.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
That night, back in our dugouts, we heard them
Dugouts.
singing a carol and singing it quite beautifully. It was the style nashed Silent Night. Our boys gave them a rousing chorus of wild shepherds watched. We exchanged carols for a while, and then we all fell silent. We had our time of peace and goodwill, a time of I will treasure long as I live.
Okay, okay, wait, Vita,
Dearest
wait.
Connie,
Wait. Okay, what do you mean by dugouts? That night back in our dugouts.
a
A
shelter
shelter
for
for
soldiers
soldiers.
made by
A
digging.
shelter of soldier made by digging of a hole in a ground.
That I can also read
Ma'am,
on the book. Okay, dugouts means गड्ढा, a hole in a ground. ठीक है, ग्राउंड के बीच में जो हम होल कर देते हैं और उसमें हम छुप जाते हैं, dugouts. Okay, and
ma'am,
we
bunker.
heard them singing a. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, kind of bunker. Bunker.
Yes, bunker. Yes. Okay, what's a carol?
Classical song.
See, carol is the music, carols गाते हैं ना, Christmas carol songs गाते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, carols. Okay. And it was silent night. Our boys gave them a rousing chorus of why shepherds watched. Chorus means a group of
Ma'am, very soft. Very soft.
musicians. Okay, that's called chorus. And they were all having a time of peace and goodwill and the time which they'll treasure as long as they live. Matlab they were celebrating the best Christmas. They never thought that they both are from the opposite sides and they have come for a war, but they are celebrating. So it's a different kind of Christmas. So who is going to read next?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, okay. Wait, the new child who have joined. What's her name? Bhargavi. Bhargavi, please read. Yes,
Bhargavi.
Bhargavi read.
Yes, ma'am.
Dearest Connie.
Dearest Connie, by Christmas time next year, this war will be nothing but a distant memory. I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. We shall be together again and soon, I am sure of it. Your loving
Jim. So this
a
was all
letter.
what has been written in the letter by Jim. This is the end of the letter that he wrote that dearest Connie, by Christmas time next year, ये war अब war नहीं रहेगा, it will be a memory. Okay? और दोनों तरफ की आर्मीज जो हैं वो चाहती हैं कि पीस हो. They do not want to fight. They don't want war. They want peace. और इसी को देखते हुए आई एम श्योर दैट हम बहुत जल्दी मिलेंगे. योर लविंग जिम. प्लीज रीड अहेड. Now this story has moved forward. अभी क्या हो रहा है? अभी जिसने unfold किया था letter. Who unfolded the letter? Please tell me the name.
Author.
Michael Morpurgo.
No. He's the writer.
Ma'am, narrator.
Jim.
No.
Author.
Ma'am, narrator.
I'm the writer.
Copy.
Yes, that man. That person who owned the roll top desk. He unfolded the letter और उसने पूरा letter पढ़ लिया. Now he's folding the letter again. Let's read. Please read, Bhargavi.
Yes. I folded the letter again and slipped it carefully back into its envelope. I kept awake all night. By morning, I knew what I had to do. I drove it into Bridgeport, just a few miles away. I asked a boy walking his dog where Copper Beaches was. House number 12 turned out to be nothing but a burned out shell. The roof gaped, windows boarded up. I knocked at the house next door and asked if anyone knew whereabouts of a Mrs. Macpherson. Oh yes, said the old man in his slippers. He knew her very well. A lovely old lady, he told me, a bit muddle-headed, but at her age she was entitled to be. Wasn't she? 101 years old. She had been in the house when it caught fire. Nobody really knew how the fire had started, but it could well have been candles. She used candles rather than electricity because she always thought electricity was too expensive. The fireman had got her out just in time. She was in a nursing home now, he told me. Burlington House on the Dorchester Road on the other side of town.
Okay. So now he folded the letter again and he slipped it carefully back into its envelope. Okay. And whole night he was awake. उसको नींद नहीं आई after reading this letter and he was waiting for the morning. और जब सुबह हुई तो कौन सा दिन था?
Christmas morning.
Yes, it was Christmas. Okay. And he drove into Bridport. वो वहाँ पहुँचा and he asked the boy walking his dog where the Copper Beaches was because he read the address which was written on the envelope. So he was just going ahead to that address. He wanted to meet Mrs. Jim Macpherson. और जैसे वो वहाँ पहुँचा तो उसने क्या देखा that the whole house and the roof was all burned. The windows were boarded up. और ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे no one is staying over here now. And then he asked his neighbors that about Mrs. Macpherson. And there was one lovely old lady and he told me, but one person told about Mrs. Jim Macpherson that she was a muddle-head lady. Muddle-head means
Confused.
it's written over here. Yes, she was a confused kind of a lady and she had been in the house when it caught fire. और जब इस घर को आग लगी थी तो वो घर के अंदर ही थी. और हमने ये भी सुना है कि she was very miser. वो use नहीं करती थी electricity and she used candles rather than electricity. और क्या हुआ, उसी कैंडल की वजह से आग लग गई. Then the fireman was called in time और उसको nursing home में admit किया गया, and still she is in nursing home. And where is nursing home? It's on the other side of the town. Now what will the visitor do? अब visitor क्या करेगा? चला जाएगा वापस? He will definitely go to the nursing home because he is quite curious to meet Mrs. Jim McPherson and give her the letter. Okay, now who is going to read? Please tell me.
May I?
Mrinalini, you read, Mrinalini.
Okay, ma'am. I found Burlington House Nursing Home easily enough. There were paper chains up in the hallway and a lighted Christmas tree stood in the corner with a lopsided angel on top. I said I was a friend to come to visit Mr. Macpherson to bring her a Christmas present. I could see out it into the dinner room where everyone was wearing a paper hat and singing. The matron had a hat on too and seemed happy enough to see me. She even offered me a mince pie. She walked me along the corridor. Mr. Macpherson is not in with the others. She told me she's rather confused today, so we thought it best if she had a good rest. She has no family, you know. No one visits, so I am sure she will be only too pleased to see you. She took me into a conservatory with wicker chairs and potted plants all around and left me. The old lady was
Oh,
sitting.
okay. Please stop, please stop. Now the visitor, he found the Burlington House nursing home very easily, and when he entered, what he saw, everyone was in a Christmas mood. They were wearing caps and hats, and the Christmas tree was decorated with a lopsided angel. Lopsided means एक तरफ से झुकी हुई. The angel was there, and everyone was wearing a paper hat, and they were singing. The matron had a hat on too. जो मैट्रन थी वहां की, जो वुमन इन चार्ज होती है ना, उसने भी हैट पहना हुआ था, एंड शी वाज हैप्पी टू सी मी. बहुत खुश हो गई मुझे देख के, और उसने मुझे मिन्स पाए ऑफर भी की. मिन्स पाए अगेन इज अ नॉन वेजिटेरियन डिश. इसमें नॉन वेजिटेरियन है, बट मिन्स का मीन्स होता है चॉप्ड. आप चॉप्ड वेजिटेबल्स भी कर सकते हो, चॉप्ड पोटैटोज भी कर सकते हो, चॉप्ड मीट भी कर सकते हो. इट्स अ पाए, एंड she offered the visitor the mince pie, and she walked along the corridor. अब मिसेस मैकपर्सन तो उनके साथ थी नहीं, वो बाकियों के साथ तो थी नहीं. सो शी इज रादर कंफ्यूज टुडे, सो वी थॉट इट्स बेस्ट इफ शी हैड अ गुड रेस्ट. तो उसने कहा, द मैट्रन ने कहा कि अभी शी वॉज नॉट फीलिंग गुड, सो वो अभी रेस्ट कर रही है. तुम्हें पता ही है कि शी हैज़ नो फैमिली, उसका कोई फैमिली नहीं, उसको कोई मिलने नहीं आता है, लेकिन आज तुम मिलने आए हो तो वो बहुत खुश हो जाएगी. तो वो फटाफट से विजिटर को कंजर्वेटरी उसमें लेकर गई. कंजर्वेटरी मीन्स जो ग्लास डोर्स का कॉरिडोर रहता है, जिसके अंदर आप रूम्स होते हैं जहाँ पे आप उनको रखते हैं, पेशेंट्स को एंड ऑल, with wicker chairs and potted plants all around, and left me. और उसने को वहां छोड़ा और वो चली गई. Who will tell me the meaning of wicker chairs?
Ma'am, the chairs which has wheels.
No beta, that is not wicker chair, that is wheelchair. wicker chair बेटा केन की चेयर्स देखी है आपने, बास्केट्स होती हैं जिसकी बनी हुई, बांस की, केन की, उसकी चेयर्स जो होती है वो पड़ी हुई थी. अक्सर हम किसी होटल में या रेस्टोरेंट में या हॉस्पिटल में जाते तो बाहर विजिटर्स के बैठने के लिए चेयर्स रखी होती है ना, तो वहां विकर चेयर्स पड़ी हुई थी और पॉटेड प्लांट्स थे, और उसने मुझे वहां छोड़ा और वो चली गई. अब who was there? Only the visitor and Mrs. Jim McPherson. So who will read next?
Anumegha.
Vyom, will you read?
Anumegha.
With Vyom, is he present?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read. After Vyom, Anumegha, please you read.
Okay, ma'am. The old lady was sitting in a wheelchair, her hands folded in her lap. She had silver white hair pinned into a wispy bun. She was gazing out at the garden. Hello, I said. She turned and looked up at me vacantly. Happy Christmas, Connie, I went on. I found this. I think it's yours. As I was speaking, her eyes never left my face. I opened the tin box and gave it to her. That was the moment her eyes lit up with recognition and her face became suffused with a sudden glow of happiness. I explained about the desk, about how I had found it, but I don't think she was listening. For a while, she said nothing, but stroked the letter tenderly with her fingertips.
Okay. Now what happened? The lady was sitting in a wheelchair and her hands were folded in her lap. और अब उसके बाल जो है वो सफेद हो चुके थे, बट उसने बहुत ही अच्छा सा बन बना रखा था. विस्पी बन मतलब नीट एंड क्लीन बन, बहुत ही अच्छे से वो बनी हुई थी. एंड शी वाज गेजिंग आउट एट द गार्डन. वो गार्डन की तरफ देख रही थी फ्रॉम दैट विंडो पेन. और अचानक से विजिटर आता है, उसने उसको बोला हेलो. और उसने उसको देखा वेकेंटली मतलब उसके दिमाग में कुछ भी नहीं था, खाली दिमाग, वेकेंटली, बिकॉज शी वॉज नॉट नोइंग हिम. तो उसने उसको जब लेटर दिया और आई फाउंड दिस एंड आई थिंक इट्स योर्स. और जैसे मैं उससे बात कर रहा था और वो मेरी को देखी ही जा रही थी, विदाउट लुकिंग हियर एंड देयर, शी वॉज ओनली लुकिंग एट मी. मैंने टिन बॉक्स खोला और जैसे मैंने टिन बॉक्स खोला उसकी आंखों में एकदम चमक आ गई विद recognition, and her face became suffused with a sudden glow of happiness. Suffused मतलब उसके चेहरे पे इतनी रौनक आ गई, ग्लो आ गया, because she recognized that tin box. उसी की चीज थी, उसने उसको recognize किया. एंड आप बताइए कि what she is thinking, अभी उसके मन में क्या चल रहा होगा? Who will tell me?
He is thinking that the author is Jim.
Yes. She might be thinking कि ये जो आया है ये जिम मेरे पास वापस आया. और फिर ऑथर ने सब ये इसने सब कुछ एक्सप्लेन किया विजिटर ने अबाउट द डेस्क और कैसे उसको वो डेस्क मिला. बट विजिटर को ऐसा लग रहा है कि कॉनी कुछ भी नहीं सुन रही है. शी इज नॉट लिसनिंग टू एनीथिंग. और वो सिर्फ टेंडरली, बड़े ही प्यार से उस लेटर को स्ट्रोक किए जा रही है. हु विल टेल मी स्ट्रोक क्या होता है?
मैम,
मैम वो सिर पे हाथ फेरना.
Yes. हाँ, जब हम हाथ फेरते हैं किसी पेट के, या जब मम्मी आपके सर पे हाथ फेरती हैं तो उसको स्ट्रोकिंग कहते हैं. बड़ी जेंटली आप अपने फिंगर्स से, अपने फिंगर टिप से हाथ फेरते हैं. तो शी वाज स्ट्रोकिंग with her fingertips on that letter. Anumegha, you can read now till end.
Yes, ma'am. Suddenly she reached out and looked and took my hand. Her eyes were filled with tears. You told me you'd come home by Christmas, dearest, she said. And here you are, the best Christmas present in the world. Come closer, Jim dear, sit down. I sat down beside her and she kissed my cheek. I reread our letters so often, Jim. Every day I wanted to hear your voice in my head. It always made me uh, feel you were with me. Uh, now you are, now you are, now you are back. You can read it to me yourself. Um, would you do that for me, Jim dear? I just want to hear your voice again. I'd love that so much. And then perhaps we'll have some tea. I have made you a nice Christmas cake, marzipan, all around. I know how much you love marzipan.
So here the lesson ends. See, suddenly what happens that she reached out and took my hand. उसने visitor का हाथ पकड़ा and her eyes were filled with tears. क्योंकि from so many years she was waiting for Jim to return, उसके पास वापस आए. और उसने उसको कहा कि तुमने मुझे कहा था कि तुम क्रिसमस पे वापस आओगे, और देखो डियर, आज क्रिसमस है and you are here with me. And this is the best Christmas present in the world which you have given to me. Please sit down, Jim dear. और वो उसके besides बैठ गया. She kissed his cheek and उसने क्या कहा कि आई रीड योर लेटर, मैं आपकी लेटर रोज पढ़ती हूँ, एवरी डे, और जो तुम्हारी आवाज है वो भी मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा से रहती है. इट ऑलवेज मेड मी फील यू वर विद मी, बट अब तुम यहीं पे हो एंड यू आर बैक, तो क्या तुम इस लेटर को मेरे लिए अपनी आवाज में पढ़ दोगे दोबारा, सो दैट आई कैन हियर योर वॉइस अगेन. और मुझे तुम्हारी आवाज सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है जिम. एंड उसके बाद हम कुछ चाय पियेंगे, विल हैव सम क्रिसमस केक, विल हैव सम माजिपन. मुझे पता है दैट हाउ मच यू लव माजिपन. So this was the emotion which was, you know, coming out of Mrs. Jim McPherson for her husband, which is no more. क्या वो है अभी?
No.
Oh, ma'am.
What do you say? No, he is no more. And this is the love, this is the emotion which is there for her husband. And अभी भी वो उसको यही believe उसको है कि उसका husband ही उसके पास वापस आया है. She could not believe that her husband is not there with her. So how did you like this lesson? आपको कैसा लगा, ये कुछ बताएंगे? Please comment.
Ma'am, it was an emotional chapter in the ending.
बट जब ये स्टार्ट हुआ तो हमें ऐसा
Sir,
लगा
it
नहीं था कि it will be such an emotional chapter. I thought it's all about war and all about Fritz and British and.
ma'am, it's about emotions
Yes,
and
सौम्या, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा. Please tell.
ma'am, this chapter is about emotions and mystery.
It's about emotions.
Mystery.
It's about mystery also, because we didn't know कि आगे क्या होने वाला है and what is going to be the end. Era, what will you say? Era, have you read this chapter from the beginning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have you got all the words? Have you got this lesson, the story?
Yes, ma'am. I have started this chapter, and now
I could not
it's
hear you. Your mic is not working properly, I suppose. Okay. Okay, fine. So where is Bhargavi? I could not see her. Bhargavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you read this chapter from the beginning? You've got all the
Yes,
meanings
ma'am.
of this chapter? What's the story and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so Lakshya is writing, the best Christmas present in the world conveys students a moral lesson that war only brings sadness and pain. Yes, 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 yes. Very true. That war can only bring sadness, pain. और क्या लेके आता है war? Happiness तो लाएगा नहीं.
Massacre?
War और क्या लेके आता है?
ma'am, a lot of women get widow and children got orphaned also.
That all comes in the sadness only. War कभी भी happiness और peace नहीं लेके आता. It always brings the disaster with it. So it is good. इससे हमें moral क्या मिलता है? Who will tell me the moral of the story? Yes, everyone. See, this is a homework also. You will write down the moral of the story in your notebooks. Okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please tell me moral of the
Okay.
story. Lakshya, you please tell me.
Ma'am, what?
What is the moral of this lesson, beta?
Ma'am, let me think about it.
Okay, please take your time. Or tell who's going to answer. Bhargavi? Me.
Ma'am, it will take some time.
Okay, it's take time. Okay, Anumegha?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know the moral of the story.
Ma'am, yes, no, ma'am, but I have
Arush,
understood the
May I?
story, but I
Ma'am, may I?
can't tell the moral right now.
Ma'am,
okay, you can't tell. But you will to write the moral in your notebooks, right?
ma'am, may I?
Will you do that?
Ma'am, what?
Arush, Amol, yes, please.
Ma'am, can I?
Moral of the lesson, बेटा. इससे आपको क्या सीखने को मिला? आपको क्या पता लगा इस लेसन को पढ़ के? हर एक स्टोरी का, हर एक लेसन का एक मॉरल होता है. ओके, लक्ष्य, प्लीज.
Ma'am, can I?
Countries should follow the path of peace to attain
Yes,
happiness and
please.
harmony among people in the world.
Okay, is this the moral?
Ma'am,
That
can
we
I?
should follow the path of peace, right? We need happiness. If you want, who's saying? Please write in the chat box. Okay, Vyom is running an opportunity to prove yourself. To prove what? I don't think this is the moral.
No, ma'am.
Lakshya is somewhere right that we should follow the path. Who said no? Yes, Yogita. War brings a lot of deaths and sadness, but also one wins and one loses. But anyhow, wars are not good, right? When we hear about wars and when we read history, do we like reading it? Do we like, हम जब visualize करते हैं how that war would have taken place? Is it good to hear about that? War is never good. Yes, Ameya, absolutely. War only brings sadness. And what about peace? In this story, we get to know about hope. Mac person, Connie, she never lose hope, and she always thought that and Jim will return to him and will see her on the day of Christmas, and that happens. War is nothing but a massacre. Okay, fine. We saw this in Mahabharata, that war only sadness. Absolutely. Even in the history, all that you read. Very good. So, children, what we'll do is just note down your work. जो आपको करना है. First, please switch on your camera so that I can see you all. Switch on your cameras now. I do want to see the Supermans and all that. Switch on your cameras. Okay, what work you are going to do is, you will be first writing all the difficult words of this lesson in your notebook. All the difficult words. Fine? Starting from I spotted. Okay? These can be 30, these can be 40, 50 also. All difficult words. And then you have to find out the meanings of the difficult words from the dictionary. Please do not use Google to find the meanings, because you should have this practice of using dictionary also. How many of you have dictionaries at home? And which dictionary you are using? Can you please tell me? Raise your hands, those who have dictionaries at home. No one is having? Okay, Vyom, fine. Which are you using? Please.
Tiny Brothers
Oxford
Pocket Dictionary.
Pocket Dictionary only. Oxford.
Yes, ma'am. I also have a
Oh,
pocket
use
and a large
Oxford Pocket
Ma'am,
wallet.
Oxford.
Dictionary. Oxford is the best.
Ma'am,
If I suggest you, अगर आप अभी डिक्शनरी, हाँ, please use Oxford dictionary. Oxford, yes. It could be pocket dictionary, it can be big one, it can be learner's dictionary, whatever. But use Oxford. And डिक्शनरी को खोलकर उसमें से वर्ड ढूंढने का जो अपना चार्म है वो गूगल पे सर्च करने का नहीं है. So please make a habit to find out, to search, to look up the dictionary for the word. You will get extra knowledge because जब आप एक तो आप 2-3 वर्ड्स को और देखते हैं, उसका भी मीनिंग आपको पता लग जाता है, and that also remains in your mind. Fine, that doesn't happen with Google. So try to find out the meanings of the different words in the dictionary. Write them in very neatly in your notebook. So see, we'll be having two that we'll be having one salt,
Your voice.
one honeydew. We're not talking about now. We're talking about these two, which are the textbooks. Honeydew and supplementary. And honeydew में बहुत neatly आप अपना lesson label करिए और vocabulary लिखिए. Write down all the words, their meanings very neatly. And when you will complete writing the word meanings, all that, at the last, please write down a moral of this 3 to 4 lines. Okay? Moral of the lesson in 3 to 4 lines also. And you will send your work to me on my personal. I can see your handwriting, your neatness, calligraphy. I can see all of them, and then I'll give you remarks accordingly.